Some breaking information coming in here. Karnataka resident doctors get relief as Karnataka government increases stipend for resident doctors. Finally, some big relief for Karnataka resident doctors as the Karnataka government agrees to increase the stipend. Remember, all of these doctors have been protesting for over 5 years, and over the last month, they've stepped up their protest. They've been requesting the government to increase their stipend. In fact, these Karnataka doctors barely got, the resident doctors particularly, barely got 30,000 as stipend fee. And now we're looking at the Karnataka government finally deciding to increase the stipend from 30,000 that they got earlier all the way to 50,000 odd. That's the stipend hike. In fact, the postgraduate first year will be given 45,000 as stipend. Postgraduate second year will be given 50,000 as stipend. Postgraduate third year will be given 55,000 as stipend. And super specialty doctors will, for 1 year, will be given 60,000. The first year, the second year will be given 65,000, and the third year will be given 70,000. This has been almost a 20,000 odd hike. Let's quickly go over to Nolan Pinter for more on this. Nolan, we're looking at Karnataka resident doctors finally getting some relief. An India Today impact indeed.
It is clearly an India Today impact because for the past 5 years, they have in fact been struggling through various governments, sending petitions to various chief ministers, asking them to increase their stipend. Delhi, Haryana, they paid 90,000, 80,000. They said that we spend so much for our medical education, and finally when we work for the government, we get peanuts. And especially now, during the COVID-19
And it's not just working for the government, it's working for public at large. They are the healthcare warriors fighting on the front line. They are the backbone of the tertiary healthcare system in Karnataka. And not just in Karnataka, resident doctors across the country are the backbone of the healthcare system. It's the senior doctors who take up the responsibility once they are screened and checked and taken care of. The entire admission process initially are all looked after by these resident doctors, putting their own lives at risk. That's when the senior doctors step in on the second phase. It's literally without them that they cannot do. And for 5 years, for them not receiving this stipend that they deserved, now finally the Karnataka government has come around.
Absolutely. They had their protest, a symbolic stipend protest a few days ago. They came out there across the state at all the government hospitals. It was, say, about 5-6 days ago when the medical education minister, Dr. Sudhakar, in fact, asked the government to look into this, asked the departments to look into actually raising their stipend. But still, it is not what it is in other states. This is the issue.
Right. Nolan, thank you very much. We do know that Karnataka resident doctors approached India Today. It was time that they got some benefit for all the hard work that they've been putting on the front line. Finally, big relief for these resident doctors. Nonetheless, the stipend has not matched up to what the Medical Council of India guidelines suggest. It's about 85,000 is what the Medical Council of India suggests. But even then, this is a huge relief. 45,000 for the juniors and eventually going up to 55,000 and 55,000 respectively for seniors. Super speciality getting up to 70,000. It's great relief for resident doctors in Karnataka there.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.